Just unloading this red tandem. My grandpa's, we're at my uncle's. My grandpa doesn't combine anymore, so pretty neat little tractor. Used to be auger. Yeah, just unloading wheat. Lift that box up a little more. I don't like this box because the one side goes up before the other and it goes up sideways and blah. Exhaust, kind of neat. Yeah, that's it for right now. Start up this. Checked all the oils and stuff. Kind of shitty looking outside, but give her a shot. Getting ready to unload. Hopefully he can make it here. Just sitting in the grain truck. It's like 9 o'clock or something. It's starting to get dark pretty early though. Yeah. I'm in the new International 99i. And yeah. Hopefully I'll get some more stuff tomorrow. This will probably all be one video because I'm just not good at this harvest stuff here. So well, I'll video what you want. So yeah. Case 2388. Getting hard to see, so I gotta turn the lights on. Yeah, that's that truck. It's pretty new, but pretty old, nasty here. Got the lights on so I can see when I'm backing up. Right on. Okay, now this thing, really easy, starting to rain though. Throttle's down, turn the key, right, shut off switch. Now it's really cool, getting the light here. It's got this remote, I gotta turn that on. Turn that switch on and stand back and enjoy the show. Lift the box up. So this is the driving truck, there's the gears, that's my gear shifter. Let's try into this approach here. It's not bad, it's actually, I never thought automatics would be very nice, but I honestly don't really mind this. It's not bad to drive. It's definitely got some pickup, but 954,816 kilometers. There he is. He's about halfway back. It's a quarter section. It's a quarter or half a section here. North half of the section. We got to go all the way down 1 mile and all the way back. So it's there and back, and he's full. Anyways, that's it. This truck turns sharp though. Right there. Neutral. And that's her. Oh man, he's still heading out that way. That's gonna be a long, it's about 20 minutes there to there? Yeah, to there, and then 20 minutes back. Okay, I'm sitting in the field. We only got one combine, so we only need one grain truck. I got my camera mount up there. I thought I just took a video, but turns out I just took a picture of me. Anyways, this radio doesn't work, and I'm gonna try to get her to work, because those things are just kind of a bunch of bullshit. But anyhow, we'll get her, keep going at it. Hopefully it turns out. Combine, emptying out, got the straight cutter on. It's quite a deal here, boy. Holy man, it's a lot more than just the pickup. Straight cut, it's a lot more concentration involved. Anyways, we're almost done there. Cleaning up the auger. my old Cyber Shot. Yeah, that's it. I'll try to get my suction cup mount rigged up here in a bit. Okay, well, we're almost finished here. We're just doing this part, and then we got some behind us. Actually, quite a bit behind us. Probably another 2 hours or an hour, whatever. I don't know. But yeah, I already emptied one into the truck, the International, and there's already one in the Ford, the old Kitty Cat, the 3208. It's really, oh, I haven't drove it for a long time because it's sat for years, but it is junk and it's rusted, quote. Anywho, just going to go to the end.